Okay, so guys, the idea is, yeah, I mean, you're correct. Uh, the idea is actually into we are having a lot of pipeline for the grow with SAP and rise with SAP deals. Okay, and we are expecting a lot of projects going forward on this area. Okay, and also going forward, as you know, once all the customers move to SAP cloud, whether it is a public cloud or a private cloud. I hope you guys are aware about these nomenclatures, these technologies, the public cloud and private cloud, right? If any one of you, if you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Okay. So SAP is providing their, yeah, Gaurav, please go ahead. Do you have
Yeah,
any
so
doubt?
yes, yes. So basically, what is the public, private cloud and public cloud? If you'll
Mm-hmm.
briefly tell something about this.
Okay. So see, as of now, whatever the projects you have been working on so far, here in these cases, all the support or implementation projects, you might have worked with the customers. They are running their systems uh, in on-premise mode. That means they are having their own data center and they are hosting their own servers and they are maintaining their.
Sorry, there was a network connectivity issue. Can you please repeat again, sir?
Mhm. Okay. So as of now, there are whatever the customers you have been working on, they are running their SAP systems on premises. Okay. They are having their own data centers and they are hosting their own servers. They are maintaining their own, hardware, network, everything. But going forward, SAP is pushing all the customers to move their SAP systems, migrate their systems to the cloud environment. Okay, and these cloud environment come in two flavors. That is, one of the flavors is public cloud, and another one is the private cloud. Private cloud would be kind of a dedicated area for one of the customer over the cloud. Okay, so in that case, customer don't have to maintain their operating system, database, this hardware, networking, all those things will be taken care by SAP, but in their private cloud mode. If you talk about the public cloud, that means everything is provided by SAP and customer will have to only subscribe for those services like Gmail, Hotmail. Okay, you do not manage these things from the server's perspective. What all you have to do is to log in into the uh, landing page and you sign up there. Okay, you just subscribe for the Gmail services. So the same way going forward, the SAP instances will be available in the same manner. Once the customer chooses that functionality, he buys that functionality as for HANA Cloud version. SAP will provide the subscription and customer will start using that system. So there is no more uh, work related to the installation of SAP system upgrade, managing the networks, managing the you know OS level thing, storage level thing, nothing. Okay. You have to just log in into the SAP environment provided by the SAP team. Okay, so this is called the cloud model of deployment, public cloud model. Now the question arises that if everything is lying on the cloud, Okay, it's either a private or a public cloud. What is the role of SAP consultants? What we are going to, what we are going to do on that? Okay. So still, even if the application is hosted on the cloud environment by SAP, it doesn't mean that the customer would not need our support to run their environment. Okay, for example, there are a lot of aspects from and a lot of questions and doubts may arise that what would be the model of deployment then? Okay, as of now, you are working on the SAP GUI. You log in into the system, do your development, do your configurations and all, right? But after moving on to the public cloud, specifically public cloud, you'll just get the URL, you log in into the S/4HANA system and you start working on that system for your business requirement. And you can start doing your configurations. Okay. Now, the purpose of this practice in DEN Pro is to enable each of us to understand how this transition is going to happen for the customer, and we should have a very clear-cut understanding about the grow with SAP and rise with SAP models. Okay, the mode of operations, how these things are going to happen, how the new requirements from the customer would be met from the different teams' perspective. What the functional team will do, what developers will do, what basis will do, all this kind of requirements and all this kind of preparation is to be done by this group. Okay, and also we should have a clear-cut understanding about how these things are going to be implemented on the cloud in public cloud of SAP. Grow with SAP. Grow with SAP is a 100% public cloud model. Okay, and as of now, you might have seen that customer is using PI system, BW system, PO, BW, BO, all these kind of systems are there, right? But once the customer is moved to public cloud, as for HANA public cloud environment, all these systems will be gone. Okay, so whatever activities you have been doing so far in your traditional and conventional SAP system, there are a lot of changes going to happen in SAP world. So the purpose of this group is to get equipped with all those changes and get ready for the grow with SAP assignments. Okay. Is it clear to all of you or anything? Any doubts or anything else? Okay. So what we will start doing is first of all, we will start with our learning sessions. Okay. Start doing your exploration on these products, how the BTP is going to get fit into these two cloud models. What is the role of BTP? Why BTP is required? And what level of expertise and preparation you would need from your end to get accustomed to the BTP environment. ठीक है? So may I know who all are the developers here? Developers? Any developer here? No, right? Okay. And the functional guys, can you just
Sir, only functionals are there.
okay, all the functionals, SDMM, PP, FI, all everyone, right? Okay. And from the integration, I think Ujali is not here. So Ujali will be working on the integration part. Okay. So see, first of all, we have to understand the architecture, how this Grow with SAP uh, thing is going to work within an integrated framework of the SAP systems, SAP cloud environment. Okay, where does this BTP fit into that environment? Why BTP is required? Okay, so all these things we will first of all in this week we will dedicate to the learning part, and then next week we will start with our technical assessment on those learnings. Okay, I will provide you guys few of the links, standard SAP links, which you can go through and start exploring your areas. Okay, so I would request you to please go through all these learning materials and take them very seriously and start preparing your own SAP notes, okay, from your respective areas. Okay, BTP notes. How you guys will start configuring your modules in cloud environment. Okay, SAP cloud. So I will provide you the links. Please go through those links, and I will create one SharePoint. We will start pushing all the documents, standard documents, our learning documents there, and we can refer those documents going forward in the future. Okay. Any doubts? So now tell me, as of now, did you guys do any research on this thing? Or did you guys try to do any analysis, any learning on this topic so far? No, right? Okay. So let's start working on this together. Okay, I'll send you guys some of the important links, but it is not restricted to that list of documents only. You can do your own research. Okay, I hope every one of you might have got S user ID from the customer side, right? So you can use any of the S user ID, download the SAP notes related to these topics, and you can go through the learning materials at least. And we are in progress of getting the subscription, the BTP subscription. So once we get the licensing part clear and we get the subscription, then we will start our hands-on labs and